Right, so I was out cutting trees the other day, and my brake stopped working. So I flipped the brake on, and nothing. It wouldn't stop the chain. The chain kept going. So I'm figuring something broke inside the saw. So I end up taking the side cover off, take the bar and chain off. Then there's two of these Torx bit screws. One was right there. One was right there. Took this little cover off like that. And this link right here was popped out of that linkage there. So I was thinking, okay, spring's fine. So either you got a broken spring or a broken brake band, which it ended up being my band is broken. So I took off this washer and the C-clip off of here, off the clutch sprocket. This is all one assembly. This one I have replaced before just because it was worn out. Looks like it's starting to get some wear and tear on this one too. Okay, so then here's your brake band, and you can see, hopefully if it will focus, that end of it is broke off, which connects up right here. I tried connecting it back in there and it still wasn't working, and then I noticed that, yep, that brake band had snapped in half. So I'm gonna have to see if I can work this. I'll have to pry that back out of there and then get that other piece out of there, get a whole new brake band, and that should fix it up. So it's probably going to be either that band broke or spring broke if you're having that problem where the chain brake's not working.